Welcome to Supathya. Today I am going to show you how to make Iyengar Thenkuzhal. Let us quickly look at the ingredients now. Let us look at the preparation now. Take a bowl, add 1 level cup of rice flour. Next, 1 teaspoon of roasted Urad dal powder and half teaspoon of crushed pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing, half a teaspoon of butter, and now half teaspoon salt. Of course, this can be adjusted according to your taste. Mix everything dry first and then take water in a glass and start adding slowly. Mix the dough nicely to a chapati dough consistency. Here I want to tell you a tip. If you are using rice flour from the fridge, then slightly roast the rice flour to get it back to the room temperature. Now coming back to the video. Take the murukku mold as shown in the video, smear it with little oil, then take small portions of the kneaded dough, keep the oil in the kadai. Let the oil get heated. Now start pressing the dough through the mold into the oil. Raise the flame. When it gets cooked well, start flipping the sides of the murukku and simmer the gas stove. Let the sizzling sound settle and it's ready to serve. Hope you all like this quick and healthy Thenkuzhal recipe. Thank you for watching Supathya.